Alright, so when we're going to do a ridge vent with our cottage cap, we'll do the following steps. Cut out your decking, get that attic ventilating, and then we're going to go ahead and use our Ridge Master vent. So we're going to make sure this is to the pitch of the roof, and then go ahead and mark the line on either side. And then we're going to go ahead and add, we can do like a butyl tape, we can do our M-Seal expandable foam down here. You can even go ahead and throw a caulk line across there as well. We just need something in between the panel and the ridge vent. So once we get that done on either side, we can go ahead and set this. Make sure to do that pitch to match the pitch of the roof. Then go ahead and fasten those on either side. Make sure that you're getting our 2.5-inch screws for this application. Make sure that pitch is staying good. And we'll fasten each hole going across the ridge vent. And once we get that all ready to go, we'll be ready to go with our caps. And our caps are going to fit right over the ridge. And you can see we'll just continue our same fastening as we normally do. Fastening on either side, 1.5 inches up into the decking. Just like that.